Oh, hold on. Go back. Go back. Go back. Oh, right here. That is not good. First time.
That is at 111 feet.
111 feet. See a huge crack. I'm gonna take some pictures. Oh, right here. Yeah. No. Okay. Picture here. Okay.
Continue.
Let's go forward. A little bit. Let's go back a little bit. Okay, so it's a whole shot, a whole slot from section to section. Pull back a little bit more. You see the whole slit?
Hey guys. What's up, man?
Slit right there. Okay, so it's just one section for some reason. It's 100. This is in between. This is going towards the security deck. Okay. And that section, hold on. That's the same. Oh, that's the same pipe. That's at the bottom though. Okay. Crack right there, and take a picture of that. Forward. Okay. Oh yeah, this one looks like it's starting to be shattered on the left hand side. All right, go forward. There's more crack.